Hello everyone, welcome to Master's Way. Today we are going to discuss about algorithms. So what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a step-by-step instruction to follow while writing a code for problem solving operations, or you can say as set of finite instructions to be followed in calculation of problem solving operations. So first we will give an input to set of instructions. Then those set of instructions will run, compile, and then we will get some output. So these set of instructions we call as algorithm. And we will see some properties of algorithm. So the first one is well-defined inputs. Yeah, if an algorithm says to take inputs, it should be well-defined inputs. It may or may not take input, but the input should be very well defined with the type, with the data, everything. And the second property is well-defined outputs. Yes, the algorithm must clearly define what output will be yielded, and it should be well defined as well. It should produce at least one output. It should not be an empty, but it will produce an exact or expected output. And the other property is finiteness. This is very important for an algorithm. Is the algorithm must be finite. It should terminate after a finite time. Means if you write certain set of instructions like 3, 4 instructions, after fourth instruction or final instruction, the algorithm should terminate. Okay. And the next one is feasible. This is one of the property of algorithm. The algorithm must be simple, generic, and practical, such that it can be executed with a available resources. It must not contain some future technology or anything. It should be very simple and flexible or feasible. And the next property is language independent. Yes, the algorithm design must be language independent. It must just plain instructions that can be implemented in any language, and yet the output will be the same as expected. Okay. And the other one is definiteness. And all instructions in an algorithm must be unambiguous, precise, and easy to interpret. By referring to any of instruction in an algorithm, one can clearly understand what is to be done. Every fundamental operator is instruction must be defined without any ambiguity. So it should be very unique. Everything will be there should be no duplicates. Again, we will get an errors or warnings, but we should follow definiteness. And the other property of an algorithm is effectiveness. Algorithm must be developed by using very basic, simple, feasible operations so that one can trace it out by using just paper and pencil. Right? So these are the important operators. Sorry, these are the important properties of algorithm. Next, we will see some what are the different types of algorithms. Okay, we have number of different types of algorithms. I just want to give you some example type of algorithms. First, we will see brute force algorithm. It is the simplest approach to a problem. A brute force algorithm is first approach that comes to finding when we see a problem. It is a very basic algorithm. I will not go into deep. I will just give an overview of these types of algorithm. Okay, recursive algorithm. This is also a based on recursion. Okay, in this case, a problem is broken into several subparts and call the same function again and again. We will write in classes and methods. We will write. So the method will be called recursively again and again till the condition met. It will terminate after some finite steps, but it will recur. So that is called recursive algorithm. And next we can say backtracking algorithm. This is mostly used. This builds the solution by searching among all possible solutions. Okay. This algorithm we keep on building the solution following a criteria. Whenever a solution falls, we trace back to the failure point, build on the next solution. It is like if we go in a one route, then it is failed, then we will come back and we will go to another route. If it is also failed, then we will come back and we will try to go in another route. So like that, what is failed at that point, we will come back. In backtracking algorithm also it is same. Once it is failed, we will go back and we will do it another way. So that is the backtracking algorithm. And next we have searching algorithm. Name itself denotes like the algorithm which is used for searching. And searching algorithms are the ones that are used for searching elements or groups of elements from a particular data structure. They can be of different types based on their approach or data structure in which the element should be found. Now we have another algorithm, sorting algorithm. The name itself defines that it will arrange a group of data in a particular manner according to the requirement. The algorithm which helps in performing this function are called sorting algorithms. Generally, sorting algorithms are used to sort group of data in increasing or decreasing data. And we have hashing algorithms. Hashing algorithm work similarly to searching algorithm, but they contain an index with a key ID. In hashing, a key is assigned to specific data. If a person has an ID, then we can pick him with an ID easily. Hence, we need ID value. So, in hashing, these kind of searching will take place. And next, we have divide and conquer algorithm. The name itself says the algorithm breaks a problem into subproblems, solves a single subproblem, and merges the solution to get the final solution. It will have three steps: divide, solve, combine. Okay, this is the very important algorithm. And we also have another algorithm called greedy algorithm. In this, the solution is built part by part. The solution for the next part is the built based on the immediate benefit of the previous part. The one solution that gives the most benefit will be chosen as the solution for the next part. So now we will see some very useful symbols for flowchart design. We can see the first one is oval or terminator is used to represent the start and end of a process. And we have an rectangles to capture process steps like basic tasks or actions in your process. And next we have arrow. It is used to guide the viewers along their flow charting path. And next we have diamond symbolizes that a decision is required to move forward. This could be a binary. These are the choices like that. And we will have some decisions or conditions in this to choose which way we need to go. This is all about algorithms and basic fundamental knowledge about algorithm. Thank you.